Hi, my name is Sylvie. I am a certified health coach and fitness trainer, and today I am going to show you how to make oven-baked fries. These oven-baked fries I mentioned in last week's video when I made my keto breaded chicken strips, and I told you it would be a great accompaniment. They are amazing to go with pretty much anything. I love them on their own. They're super kid-friendly, obviously. Who doesn't like fries? They taste way better than any store-bought fries that you could find, and they don't have all the additives, the vegetable oils, so they're so much better for your health. I know that white potatoes have suffered a little bit over the last few years, and the keto paleo movement has made them something that a lot of people feel is unhealthy, but they are actually filled with vitamins and nutrients. They're delicious, and I see no reason, unless you are for some reason sensitive to them, to avoid them, or unless you're keto, obviously. I've been making these oven fried potatoes for years, and I've done them in various ways. You can change things up a little bit with the seasonings, but I mean, you could just use salt, and I've done that as well. So let me show you how I do them. You could use any type of potatoes. A lot of people tend to favor Yukon Golds. I love Yukon Golds. They do give you really nice oven fried potatoes, but white potatoes of any kind work as well. And today I'm using the russet potatoes. If you have a family of 4 or 5, you'll need about 5 pounds of potatoes. I now use 10 pounds when I make them, so a whole 10-pound bag. And that seems to be pretty good for us. I have 3 teenagers and 4 younger kids. You're not going to peel your potatoes, but you're going to clean them really well. I'm going to show you quickly how you cut your potatoes. You cut them lengthwise in half, like this. And then you do that again. And after that, you can make your wedges, your potato wedges. Just like so. This is usually about the size I go for. It's a matter of preference. You could make them smaller if you wanted. And then you are going to layer them on a baking sheet. I like to use dark baking sheets. It gives you nice and crispy potatoes. Some people use parchment paper on their baking sheet. I don't. Another thing is some people soak their potatoes before they bake them. They feel that it makes them more crispy. I don't see that makes any difference, and I don't soak mine. And by the way, I think that 10 pounds of potatoes is about 15 potatoes this size. So if you're doing 5 pounds, which is what the recipe on my blog tells you, then you would use maybe 7 potatoes. Also, I forgot to mention that you should preheat your oven before you start preparing your potatoes so that it's ready to go when you're done, and preheat the oven at 425 Fahrenheit. I'm done cutting the potatoes, so now the fun part begins. If you're making 5 pounds of potatoes, you'll need about half a cup of avocado oil. Make sure you mix it well, and also, as you can see, I used only 2 trays for 10 pounds of potatoes. That's pushing it. It's going to make it harder to get them nice and crispy. So if you have only 5 pounds, still use 2 trays. That's the best. It's best if it's a single layer, not like I did. And then I have a bunch of seasoning options. If you look on my blog, I have some combination suggestions. But today I'm just going to pretty much just throw everything in. Put some salt, some oregano, onion powder, garlic powder, and black pepper. Make sure you mix everything really, really well. These are not even cooked and they already look yummy. Check this out. I just put them in the oven, and so we'll check back in about 40 minutes or so. And obviously, while they're cooking, you should make sure to flip them, maybe at 10 minutes intervals, and you can also check on them that way. Here's what you'll get after about 40 minutes. I'm telling you, they taste amazing, super easy. You won't regret making your own oven-baked fries. I'm not going to be making a recipe video next week because it's Good Friday. I'm going to be taking the day off. But the week after, I'm planning to show you how to make mayo, which is really perfect for those. See you then.